introduce the candies?
Do you want me to go get Brandon for this?
So, the first candy we will be introducing today is Red Vines, a classic. The second are some beautiful little Reese's Pieces.
Those are called Reese's Pieces.
Reese's Pieces.
Okay, then we have the Sour Patch Watermelon Sours. And
They're called gummies.
I don't care. Next we have Haribo. No other brand.
Gummy bear.
And then Haribo Sour Spaghetti. This right here is a pooping chicken.
My God.
Would you like to hold the microphone so I can fix that?
Yeah.
It's a beheaded chicken
We
now.
like to detect. We like to
It's ready for
decapitate
chicken nuggies.
I love when
It
my head
poops
does
little
that.
gumballs.
I love when my head pops off. That's so fun.
I know. So, our judges will now begin by putting a glove on so that we don't contaminate the food.
But we need to go over the judging criteria first.
Oh, yes.
No, you're not the judge.
No, you're not a judge. Well, the judging criteria.
Oh.
Our first impression of the candies.
Go.
You will rate it on a 4, a 3, a 2, or a 1. The next criteria is the appearance. You will also rate it from a 4 to a 1. Then, the flavor. You will rate it from a 4 to a 1. The texture, 4 to 1. And finally, the versatility. Versatility from a 4 to 1. We will then add all of the points up, and the closest to or the highest to 20 wins the entire competition.
We're going to divide our total scores by 20, and then we're going to multiply by 5 and figure out our total percent satisfaction here.
Mr. Dooley,
Listen
do
to
the
this.
Is there more into this 4, 3, 2, 1? I need more information. What's a 4 look like?
We have visuals.
So that's a
Focus.
4. What's a 3?
All right, any questions, judges?
I have 0
You are the
questions.
judge.
Our
Okay.
judges are. Do you guys want to be judges too?
Yeah, I'll be a judge.
Okay. If you
Alright.
brought candy though, you cannot be a judge. So you can be a judge. You can be a judge.
I didn't bring candy.
Miss Kanai, you can be a judge.
Where's
I'm gonna have to write with my left hand now. Put the glove on this one. Oh, so watch this.
I'm not judging. And Axel.
Axel, Jocelyn, are you judging?
She's eating.
No, so we have 3 judges. Okay.
Can I get a writing utensil?
Against the wall.
Yeah, I also can write
Okay.
pencil with
What candy would we like to start with?
I kind
Do you
of.
want me to be impartial? Because we're definitely I started with Reese's Pieces if I'm going to be impartial.
Okay.
Yeah, all right.
I will.
All right, so we got the
Oh, I
Reese's
need to get
Pieces
Beautiful.
flavor, texture.
Beautiful.
Now our non-judges are allowed to have some.
Hold on.
I did each category.
You're welcome. And you can head down there if she's not.
First impression.
Okay.
It's a 4. It's also a
Yes.
4. Texture. It's a 4. Versatility.
Yeah, some really delicious candies here.
Did you say versatility was a 4?
Need
Why?
everything.
Mr. Dooley,
It goes with everything, sir.
Can it be used for any other things?
Yeah, I can.
Like?
Ice
Color
cream.
coordinating things.
Number 1.
Stacking. Math percentages as to how many of each color are in a box.
Yeah,
I-
Mr. Dooley.
feel there's a little bias.
Yeah, it seems like there's a little bias here.
Listen, Linda. Red vines. Let's do that next.
Yeah, red vines definitely.
It's good. It's important.
The thing that fueled my
Being
child.
truthful.
Riley.
I am being truthful.
Riley. Take a red vine with your gloved
4
hand.
for versatility.
delicious.
We talk about versatility.
blessed?
Red vines.
Listen,
You need a straw. Use
Yeah,
multi-purpose.
Mr.
I
Dooley.
think
You need
my
to
stocking.
shoot a blow dart.
That is a 4 for versatility. Straws.
Blow dart.
Okay.
What was the T for? Taste or texture?
Texture.
Was F. Wait, am I gonna have to
We've
do
all been
math
there.
when I'm done eating?
No.
You're gonna have to do what?
Am I gonna have to do math when
Yes,
I'm
you are
done?
going to have to do math when you're done.
ask the math teacher.
I
She has to do math.
Axel,
I obviously didn't know what I signed up for.
That's
you
why I
already-
did tell you.
did you already calculate your total percent satisfaction for the Reese's Pieces?
Alright.
Okay.
What would we like next? Ooh, I definitely
We're
want to
making
go
me
with
do so
the
much
gummy
math right
bears.
Yay! That's my candy.
Gummy bears.
Pick 3.
Okay, definitely go with these 3.
Miss Knapp. Pick 3.
If you have any questions about the math,
I know how to do the math. I'm just questioning why.
I'm allergic to pineapple.
we'll put multiply by 100 or
Yeah, you get gummy bears.
Yes, I do. 3?
Here, I'm just gonna
Whoa,
count
it's
my.
an orange one.
I'm just gonna count my totals here rather than trying to do all the math right now since supposedly I was doing it wrong.
What is the candy?
Are we allowed to give it a 0? Oh, never mind. Remember the
It's 1 through
directions.
4.
Remember the directions.
You can put them on ice cream. You can melt them down. You can melt multiple flavors down, and you can put them in little molds and then freeze them, and then they'll become different gummies. Or you could melt them down and then pour them on your friend's face. Make one on thing.
Oh, I like that plan.
Or
Because they're burning hot. Trust me.
you could get a giant bag and give it to Mr. Keebit.
All right, what's next?
Would you like to do watermelon, the spaghetti, or the pooping chicken? It poops gumball, so I
I
recommend
say we
maybe
do that one last.
Yeah.
that one.
Okay, so let's
Okay.
do the watermelon. Watermelon.
Those are pretty good.
They're really good covered in Limoy.
Whoever bought those was looking to win.
Well, it's the pooping chicken.
Pull it out.
Mr. Dooley said we couldn't pick our favorite colors.
Just grab the candies.
Thank you.
Yay! I get candy.
Oh wait, that's 4. No, you don't have 3, but then I dropped one.
Just give me one more. Yay!
That's 4. There you go.
Is it a blue one? I gotta agree with you. That's bluish gray.
Wow. These are quite good.
Wonder who brought these?
First impressions, yes. Appearance, yes.
Oh man, Mr.
Flavor.
Dooley. No.
This is 4s across the board.
No.
That's a solid no.
Avery, hold it.
Oh, Brandon's gonna be so
Glad I'm
jealous
not
of these.
this.
I'm actually so lucky I lost that.
So, we need percent satisfaction, okay? Scores are, what's a perfect score?
100.
Okay, 100%. What's a perfect score out of each of the, for all the categories?
I'm gonna need you to.
Okay, 4 and how many categories?
5.
Okay, so if something was perfect, like
20%.
let's say these were perfect and they scored all 4s, we have how many points?
20.
20 points. Okay, so we can take your 20 points and we can multiply by what?
5.
To get our
6.
total 5. To get our total percent satisfaction. Or
6 candy.
we can take our score, we can divide by 20 and multiply. Either way, we need to come up with percentages for this one, this one, this one, and
Not helping for you.
And I didn't use my.
It didn't help that I had the typo.
Yeah. So I think I've got it. My math is mathing. Yes. Well, I did 5 because I wasn't gonna touch that gumball.
Anyway, so how do we solve the percent satisfaction?
So add up your total for one of the candies.
What time is it?
Did they know that I was gonna be a judge?
Yeah, we were the
Okay, so somebody cheated.
Yes.
They thoroughly, they cheated real good. 10 out of 10 stars.
I used to get that all the time. I was like, after I was dyeing my hair.
The math is mathing. Well, obviously, who brought the Reese Pieces?
Avery.
Avery? And you knew I was going to be a judge?
Yes.
That's cheating, ma'am.
Well,
Yeah. Disqualified.
That was.
I got 80% for Reese's Pieces.
Oh, spaghettios. Oh, spaghettios.
Chicken bell.
Oh, spaghettios.
Or you can take your original number and multiply by 5.
What's that?
All right, that's it for Candy at Lunch Part 1.